Go.
Okay guys, sorry, it's a minor error of my camera. Okay, let's proceed. Working background strategy. It is a heuristic strategy of which a person discover the step needed to solve problem by defining and desired goal and working background to the current condition. Heuristic problem solving strategy in the current position. The strategy in which the current position is compared with the desired goal and a series of steps are formulated and taken to close the gap between them. Trial and error. It is an approach to problem solving in which one solution after another is tried in no particular order until a workable solution is found. Algorithm. A systemic steps-by-steps procedure such as a mathematical formula that guarantees a solution to a problem of a certain type if it is appropriately and properly executed. Okay, number 6. What is an insight? Insight, it is a sudden mental reorganization of a problem that makes the solution obvious. What are the three abilities involved in insight according the psychologists Robert Sternberg and Janet Davidson in 1982? Selective encoding. It is an ability to select information relevant to a problem while ignoring useless or distracting information. B. Selective combination. In problem solving, it is the ability to connect seemingly unrelated items of information. Selective comparison. It is the ability to relate a present problem to similar problem solved in the past or to prior experience. What are the steps in problem solving? Okay, A. Preparation. It is identify to give facts, distinguishing relevant from relevant facts, and defining the ultimate goal. B. Production. It is generating possible solution to the problem. C. Evaluation. Evaluation. This is a final stage in problem solving where the hypotheses are appraised to see whether they satisfy and conditions of the goal. And number 8. What are the barriers or impediments of problem solving? Functional fixedness. This is a failure to use familiar objects in novel way to solve problems because of a tendency to view objects only in terms of their customary function. B. Mental set. This is a tendency to apply a familiar strategy to the solution of a problem without carefully considering the special requirements of the problem. C. Confirmation basis. It is our inclination to seek out evidence that will confirm our hypothesis, while At the same time, overloading contradictory evidence. Okay. What are the common mental blocks and fixation that can hinder problem solving?